Good morning students. Today we will start new chapter, chapter 11, triangle and its properties. In this we will study about the triangle. Triangle is what? We know the shape of triangle is this. If you see properly, it is a closed figure. Triangle is which type of figure? Triangle is a closed figure. It is a closed figure and bounded by three sides. There are three sides, closed by three sides. Whenever we will form three sides, closed figure with three sides, then it forms a triangle. But these three sides should be collinear. एक ही लाइन में नहीं होनी चाहिए तीनों sides. These three sides should be non-collinear. एक ही लाइन में नहीं होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज हमारा क्लोज फिगर नहीं बनेगा. Okay, now see properties of this triangle. We can see easily that there are three vertices. Three corners है इस triangle के. We can say name. We can give the name as A, B and C. In this triangle we have three vertices A, B and C. Three sides AB, BC, CA. Three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Or we can give the name of other type also in three vertices also. So this is the basic of this triangle. Now in this triangle, see what is the exterior region. Region about the triangle, exterior region. Region outside from the closed figure is called the exterior region. इस क्लोज फिगर से बाहर का जो भी रीजन होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सटीरियर रीजन. और इस क्लोज फिगर के अंदर जो भी रीजन होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीरियर रीजन. और जो ओनली इन साइड्स के थ्रू जा रहा है दिस इज कॉल्ड द बाउंड्री. एंड ट्रायंगुलर रीजन ऑलवेज बाउंड्री प्लस इंटीरियर रीजन दोनों मिलके जो बनाएंगे रीजन दैट इज ट्रायंगुलर रीजन. सो दिस इज द बेसिक्स ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. नाउ वी कैन क्लासिफाई द ट्रायंगल. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ट्रायंगल. Two types of classification, may be triangles based on angles and may be triangle based on sides. Firstly, we will discuss about the sides according to sides. According to side, first we can say equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is what? A triangle in which all the sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. A triangle in which all sides are equal, this is called equilateral triangle. Equi मतलब equal, lateral मतलब sides. Second we can say isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. Third we can say scalene triangle. That all sides are different. So according to sides there are three types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle, in this triangle all the sides are equal. Isosceles, any two sides are equal. And next one is scalene triangle in which all the sides are different. Now see the classification of triangle according to angles. According to angles. According to angles, see we can say acute angle triangle. that in a triangle, if all the angles are acute angle, what is the acute angle? Acute angle, if an angle lies between 0 degree to 90 degree, then it is called acute angle. It means in the acute angle triangle, all the angles should be less than 90 degree. जो भी एंगल्स है ट्राइंगल के अंदर, these all angles are acute angle, then we can say this is an acute angle triangle, that all angles are acute angle. One of the example, if we want to give the acute angle triangle, then we can say this is an equilateral triangle. In the case of equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, and in the same case, all the angles are also equal. Or we know that in an angle sum property of a triangle, sum of all the angle is equal to 180 degree. It means each angle of a triangle is equal to 60 degree in case of equilateral triangle, and 60 degree is less than 90 degree. That's why we can give the example in acute angle triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Another angles also, suppose this angle 70, 50, 60. This is also acute angle triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degree. Next type of angles, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangles, we can say that one of the angle is obtuse. One of the angle is obtuse. कोई भी एक ही एंगल इसमें ऑब्ट्यूज हो सकता है, किसी भी ट्राइंगल में एक से ज़्यादा एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज नहीं हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल मीन्स एंगल्स लाइज बिटवीन 90 डिग्री एंड 180 डिग्री. वो 90 डिग्री से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए, 180 डिग्री से लेस देन होना चाहिए. सो सपोज इफ आई टेक वन ऑफ द एंगल 91 डिग्री, देन अनदर आई कैन टेक 89 डिग्री, other angles I can take, suppose one angle I take 60 degree, then 29 degree. So you can see that sum of these angle is equal to 180 degree. This one acute, but this one angle is obtuse. But if I take suppose 91 degree plus 10 degree, or maybe you take 1 degree only, then also it is greater than 180 degree. It means in obtuse angle triangle, possibility is only one of the angle is obtuse angle, another angle should be acute. Then we can say that this given triangle is obtuse angle triangle, because it is necessary condition for the triangle, for the possibility of triangle, that sum of all angles should be equal to 180 degree. Next one, right angle. In right angle also one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. कोई भी एक एंगल ट्राइंगल में, कोई भी एक एंगल अगर 90 डिग्री के इक्वल है, देन दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज कॉल्ड राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. Okay, now we will discuss about the median and altitude. Median. Median is related to something midpoint. Median is related to something midpoint. See, in a triangle, we know that we have three vertices, A, B and C. What is the median? Median is a line segment. See, median is a line segment joining by vertex to midpoint of opposite side. What is a median? Median is a line segment joining by any vertex to midpoint of opposite side. It means किसी भी vertex को, suppose I take vertex A, midpoint of opposite side. What is the opposite side of A? That is the BC. In a triangle ABC, if I choose vertex A, then opposite side BC. If I choose vertex B, then opposite side AC. If I choose vertex C, then opposite side AB. So, in a triangle, median is what? Median is a line segment. I take the midpoint of BC, that is D. Then it is a line segment by joining any vertex. Suppose I take vertex A to midpoint of opposite side BC. Then it is a median. So, in a triangle, how many vertices are there? There are 3 vertices. It means we can draw 3 median. Suppose I take the midpoint of ACE, then what is the median? BE. Here AD is median, in this case B is median. C, here I take F, then what is the median? CF. So, there are 3 median. It means in a triangle we can draw 3 medians. In this case, there are 3 medians named AD, BE and CF. What is the definition of median? It is a line segment by joining any vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Now, the next one is altitude. What is the altitude? In a triangle, altitude is related to something perpendicular. Altitude is related to something perpendicular. Height we can say. So, what we will do? From a vertex, we will draw the perpendicular to the opposite side. In a triangle, from any vertex, when we draw perpendicular on the opposite side, then this line AD is called altitude. So, in the same way, this triangle has 3 altitude. From B, you can draw the perpendicular on AC. From C, we can draw the perpendicular on AB. So, there are AD, BE, CF. In this case, there are 3 altitudes. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss some more properties of a triangle. Till here, learn these definitions and clear your concept. Thank you.